The native token of the decentralized exchange ASTER rose by 38% after Binance founder Changpeng Zhao announced ownership of the asset worth more than $2.5 million.
He stated that he acquired ASTER with his own funds through Binance. "I am not a trader. I buy and hold," he added. According to CoinGecko, the token price jumped from $0.91 to $1.26. At the time of writing, the asset is trading at $1.07.
According to Daffy Lama, ASTER daily trading volume grew from approximately $220 million to more than $2 billion.
Market capitalization increased from $1.8 billion to $2.18 billion. Some traders followed Zhao's example. For instance, the user under the nickname Gold reported opening a position in ASTER. He explained his decision by the fact that the businessman first announced the purchase of any token except Bean Cheese, the most influential figure in the crypto industry, announced the purchase of ASTER with personal funds. "That is all. To not complicate it," the trader wrote.
However, not all market participants believe in the continuation of the rally.
According to Chain, two major players opened short positions on ASTER.
One of them opened a short for 42.97 million tokens, $52.8 million, with a liquidation price of $2.
The other increased the short position to 15.3 million ASTER, $19.1 million, with liquidation at the level of $2.11. Previously, the venture firm IZ Labs invested in the ASTERS project.
ASTER emerged as a result of the merger of ASTERS and the APC Finance protocol at the end of the year 2024.
In September of the year 2025, a Bean Chain representative confirmed to Cointelegraph that the DEX received support from the network and the IZ Labs, but did not specify Zhao direct participation. Recall that in October, Daffy Lama excluded data on ASTER futures trading volume due to suspicions of manipulations. Later, the platform restored the information but called the exchange a black box. Co-founder and chairman of the board of MicroStrategy Michael Saylor published a concise message on Twitter: "Orange is the color of November, orange, the color of November." The short phrase sparked a wave of discussions in the crypto community, where it is interpreted as a hint at new Bitcoin purchases by MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor is known for his consistent strategy of accumulating Bitcoins. Since 2020, MicroStrategy became the first public company to make Bitcoin the primary reserve asset of its corporate treasury.
Currently, the company owns approximately 640,808 BX, equivalent to about $45 to $47 billion at the current rate.
Each statement by Saylor, directly or indirectly related to Bitcoin, is usually accompanied by increased interest in the asset and growth in market expectations. After the tweet was published, market participants noted an increase in trading volumes on spot platforms and a rise in activity from large addresses. In the crypto environment, the phrase orange has long been associated with Bitcoin, from the brand color of the logo to the expression orange-pilled. Many analysts perceived Saylor's statement as preparation for another round of BX purchases, especially against the backdrop of the correction observed at the end of October. MicroStrategy remains the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin and is considered a barometer of institutional demand for digital assets. Any steps by the company have a significant impact on market sentiments, both among retail investors and in the institutional sector. If the community's forecasts come true and MicroStrategy indeed continues purchasing BX in November, this could create additional pressure on supply and strengthen the shortage trend in the market.
The cryptocurrency ZKsync rose by more than half thanks to Ethereum as creator Vitalik Buterin. The feature of the ZKsync network is that its security is provided by cryptography, not validators, as happens, for example, in the Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, the ZK developers claim that their creation is protected from corruption, just like the ETH mainnet, which is not susceptible to this threat thanks to the large number of nodes and their distribution around the world. The ZKsync team does a lot of underrated and important work in the Ethereum ecosystem, wrote Buterin, noting the successes of his colleagues. Then Vitalik reacted to the response posed by the ZK creators, stating that protection from corruption is the main feature of the Ethereum blockchain. Buterin's publications provoked the start of a bullish trend in the ZKsync market, and the coin's rate increased by 68% over the past day. The level of capitalization of the digital asset increased to $432 million, And according to this indicator, it ranked 124th in the ranking of leading virtual currencies. Nevertheless, ZKsync holders should not rejoice just yet. Since the beginning of the year, the coin has fallen by 72% within the bearish trend that emerged in December 2024. One can talk about a reversal in the market only after the rate consolidates above the mark of 0 and 6500. Otherwise, the downward trend will continue, and the coin's price will break a new low.